In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access the Tangible Things course on Harvard Online and how you can get Harvard certified by completing it. This is an amazing opportunity if you want to learn directly from Harvard University and add a globally recognized certification to your profile. I'll walk you through everything step by step, from finding the course to enrolling and completing it successfully. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Now, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to harvardonline.harvard.edu/course. This is Harvard University's official online learning platform where they host professional and academic courses. Once the page loads, you'll see a list of available courses, along with a search option. At the top of the page, click on the search bar and type in Tangible Things. As you type, the course should appear in the search results. Click on the Tangible Things course to open the full course page. On this page, you'll be able to see all the important details, including what the course is about, who teaches it, how long it takes to complete, and what you'll learn by the end. Take a moment to read through the course description so you understand the structure and expectations. When you're ready to move forward, scroll down and click on the Enroll button. You'll now be prompted to either sign in or create an account on Harvard Online. If you already have an account, simply log in using your email and password. If you're new, create a fresh account by filling in your basic details like name, email address, and a secure password. After logging in, you'll be guided to the enrollment process. Here, you'll need to confirm your personal details and choose your enrollment option. Depending on availability, the course may offer a paid certificate track. Select the option that includes certificate if your goal is to become Harvard certified. Next, proceed to the payment section. Enter your payment details carefully and complete the payment process. Once the payment is successful, you'll receive a confirmation email from Harvard Online, and the course will be added to your dashboard. Now you officially have access to the Tangible Things course. You can start learning at your own pace by watching the lectures, reading the materials, and completing any required assignments. Make sure to follow the course schedule and complete all the modules to meet the certification requirements. As you progress, your completion status will be tracked automatically. Once you successfully finish the course and meet all the criteria, you'll receive your official Harvard certificate. This certificate can be downloaded and shared on platforms like LinkedIn or added to your resume to boost your credentials. And that's it. You now know how to access the Tangible Things course on Harvard Online and get Harvard certified by completing it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.